Hi, my name is Bret McGowen, and I'm a software developer here at Rackspace working in the Rack Connect project. If you have an internet website or other application that runs on the web, you know that accepting payments can be really complicated. How complicated? Let's look. As you can see, in this model of how you traditionally accept payments online, you've got all kinds of accounts, a bank account, merchant account, a payment processor. You might have a third-party website that you bounce back and forth. This is pretty complicated. Luckily, Stripe can simplify all this for you. They can combine all those accounts into one single account with Stripe. You don't have to worry about multiple accounts. They take care of the full stack. They also can handle PCI compliance, so you don't have to worry about your data centers and your servers being PCI compliant and security. They handle all that. They store all the credit card numbers on their servers and not in yours. They also let you customize the checkout experience exactly how you want it to be. So rather than bouncing you to a third-party website that looks like a totally different company with different colors and different branding, you can integrate it directly into your website so it looks how you want and you can control the experience. And you can get up and running within 5 minutes. It's just that easy. Let's take a look at my friend Carrie's website. She's just started selling cookies online, and in fact, she's so early in the process, she only has one option, pay with card. You go to her website, you click that, you see there's no options, it's just 12 cookies for $25. Trust me, they're totally worth it. Here you can type in a credit card number and so forth. So before I get too far into it, let's take a look at what it took to actually get this form to come up. So here's the HTML for Carrie's website. It's pretty basic. In fact, the only thing that's kind of that interesting is the form tag. You'll notice this form and then has a script embedded within it. This you can actually automatically get generated for you from Stripe's website, and let's explain a little bit what's here. It has a data key element, which is going to include your API key. Stripe is actually pretty cool because they enable a test mode, so all I have to do is change out that key to test mode, and I can test the exact code that it's going to run in production, only without actually incurring any real charges. It has the amount, 2,500, so that's 2,500 cents. The description, Carrie's cookies, and then 12 cookies for $25. You can also alternately upload an image to look at as well. But what if I want something that's a little bit more interesting or a little bit more custom to my payment page? What if I don't want a button that just says pay with card? Stripe makes that easy too. So in this example, Carrie has now upgraded her website. So instead of a button that says pay with card, she wants a button that says purchase a dozen cookies, $25. That way the user knows what they're getting into. I click it. It brings up the exact same form as before, a little bit better description, a box of 12 chocolate chip cookies. And it also asks for a billing address because she's got to mail them to you, so she needs to get that address as well. Let's take a look at how we were able to customize that. As you can see, there's not that much different. There's a couple of script tags up in the head that you'll have to include as well. And then the button can be anything you want. Here we have button ID equals custom button. You can put any kind of CSS styling, colors, anything like that, background image on that button you want. And then you have another script tag here with some jQuery that will wire up all the Stripe data and elements that you need. Again, a lot of this looks pretty similar. You've got the test key, the amount, 2,500 cents, the name and description for what's going to show up on the payment pop-up. And then other than that, that's all you need. So now you've got your site designed, laid out, and you're collecting the payment information from the user. But we're not quite done yet. There's still one more step. The payment information does not actually get sent to your server. Instead, Stripe is going to create a Stripe token that gets sent to your server that you can then call the Stripe API to commit the charge. This is for security and auditing purposes. But what's nice about this model is the payment information doesn't get sent to your server, so you don't have to encrypt it, you don't have to store it, you don't have to worry about PCI compliance or taking it out of your logs. Stripe handles all of that automatically for you.